were always a problem because Shari has very small hands, and we had to build these sort of large hands over her.
Vera, do we have the little hanky?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Wonderful. Let's see what you can do. Can you get that? Yeah, it's tough, isn't it? Almost.
How long is this movie going to be?
Okay, now here we go. Two of them, huh? Oh, all right. Great. This is your big chance. So go for it. All right? Let it first in the eyes and then feel it with everything. But not the pen.
Yeah, I think he, I think he can do that. He believes it.
And project.
Well, the ballroom scene is Sarah's fantasy, and so I wanted it to have sort of a dream, trance-like quality. And that's what I asked Cheryl McFadden to convey in the choreography.
So what has to happen is, Douglas, that you can't leave until Graham, you see him getting closer, yeah.
It was probably the most free time for me in terms of just exploring my own ideas and working with people and trying to come up with a style for that sequence.
I loved shooting it myself. It was a fun kind of thing to try to weave together.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Company halt. 1, 2. Ready for the rope drop. And drop. Ready for the attack. And 1, 2, 3, and shoot.
A film like this sort of needs a major climax. And one of the...
You're all connected up now, Richard. Right, let's clear the set there unless you're a goblin with a rock attached to you.
Albert?
We're going to try a rehearsal in the right-hand lane first. This lane I'm pointing to. And 3.
I remember walking into the studio and there was nothing in the studio. All of the workshops, they were empty. And the way they looked by the end, it was amazing. I'd never met so many creative people in one place. Really an extraordinary group of people. It's so wonderful to see her work today. She is a wonderful, wonderful actress. And you could see, I mean, she was 14 when she did Labyrinth. And I mean, what an amazing human being, really. She's pretty extraordinary. She was perfect for the